Compared to gasoline-powered automobiles, electric vehicles have the potential to be faster, safer, and more pleasurable to drive. Tesla's goal was created by engineers who wanted to demonstrate to the world that electric automobiles are not compromises. Elon Musk's Tesla has shown that it cannot manufacture good battery-powered vehicles with several awards and sales. That is something that has been proven over and over again. The wait is over, as Tesla has unveiled the Tesla Semi, a completely new weapon in its collection. Hello there and welcome back to Inferno Rocket, where we'll learn about Tesla's most powerful creation, the semi-truck, in today's video. Why is there such a need for electric trucks? Tesla believes that the faster the world abandons fossil fuels and advances towards zero-emission future, the better. Tesla is not the first company to demonstrate an electric vehicle. Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, BMW, and other brands were among the first to arrive. When the new truck was presented in November of 2019, the star power surrounding Tesla and its inventor Elon Musk spurred a lot of conversation about the new vehicle meant for the industry. Trucking has a lot of drawbacks, including expensive fuel and maintenance costs, as well as concerns about the environment. Tesla was supposed to deliver an electric vehicle, and we were expecting it to be a truck. What we didn't expect was what may be the world's most powerful highway legal truck, as well as what could be the world's fastest production automobile in the near future, as has been reported and discussed for years. Tesla's Semi appears to be on the verge of becoming a reality. A high-level overview of the Semi. The truck will be equipped with Tesla's semi-autonomous autopilot system. A centrally positioned seat in the Tesla semi-truck puts the driver in a position comparable to that of a McLaren F1. For what it's worth, Musk claims that the vehicles can withstand a thermonuclear explosion. The Semi will be driven by 4 Tesla Model 3 electric motors, with 2 battery configurations offering 300 and 500 miles of range, respectively, according to Musk. The long-range Tesla truck has a range of around 600 miles when empty, and the battery packs would be installed under the vehicle's floor between the back and front wheels. According to Tesla, the Semi's 0 to 60 mph time would be about 5 seconds when empty and 20 seconds when fully loaded, which is much faster than ordinary semi-trucks. On a 5-degree inclination, the truck could maintain a speed of 65 miles per hour. The company advertised a 1,000,000-mile warranty and claimed that maintenance would be less expensive than with a diesel truck. A month after unveiling, Tesla reduced the uphill speed restriction by 5 miles an hour to 60 miles per hour. With a capacity of 80,000 pounds, a weight of 36,000 kilos, and a range of 600 miles, the Tesla Semi is marketed as the world's most effective long-haul vehicle. Ergonomic design has been completely revamped. One of the most distinguishing features that will likely set the Tesla Semi apart from its competitors is the cockpit design. Unlike normal diesel trucks, Tesla's truck has a customized driver's seat, similar to those used in other Tesla vehicles. Touchscreen controls will be installed in the Semi, which will be displayed on the 2 massive monitors on either side of the steering wheel. According to Tesla, the Semi will include an upgraded autopilot that will allow it to operate semi-autonomously. The truck would be able to stay in its lane and keep a safe distance from other vehicles on the roadway thanks to the technology. It'll also include emergency braking and use more radar sensors and cameras on the truck to alert the driver of any potential dangers around the vehicle. The current color options for the Semi prototypes that have been observed on the road are silver, red, and matte black. Apart from the speed and power, the Tesla Semi is expected to have some of the software features that have helped the Model Y and Model 3 become so popular. While full self-driving technology is still a ways off, Musk highlighted the Semi's increased autopilot features, which include automated emergency braking, automatic lane control, and forward collision alert. The Tesla Semi will be able to join other Semis on the road in convoy mode, which is maybe the most exciting software feature. Convoy technology allows vehicles to drive semi-autonomously, saving energy consumption and reducing wind resistance. The Semi's safety is incredible. The increased autopilot also means that the semi-truck will automatically brake if the driver is unable to take control due to a medical emergency. This is only one of the several safety precautions available, and it addresses one of the most prominent concerns among drivers: jackknifing. According to Musk, it is not an option. Because each tire has its own motor, the truck will immediately stop jackknifing, and you may rest assured that your worst nightmare is gone. A low center of gravity reduces the risk of a rollover, which may be enticing in an industry where trucker fatalities are on the rise again, and truck driving is the most dangerous job in the country. Operational costs are cheap. The cost of operation is one of the benefits of the Tesla semi-truck that drivers and freight companies are interested in. According to Musk, a charging power station will cost 7 cents per kilowatt hour, saving between $100,000 and $200,000 each year. Furthermore, on these electric semi-trucks, regenerative braking allows the battery to recover roughly 98% of the truck's kinetic energy, extending the battery's life. This, according to the company, means that the braking system will last for a whole life of the semi, which is truly outstanding. Aside from the braking system, other maintenance costs are decreased as well. Tesla trucks only have one speed, due to the lack of a transmission, engine, or differentials. Because all these moving components have been removed, the amount of breakdowns should be significantly reduced. According to Musk, a Tesla semi-truck will pay for itself in roughly 24 months. Thanks to these saving tactics, Musk wants to improve the supercharger network, which he believes will one day connect far-flung Teslas so they can be powered. In order to power their current superchargers and the projected network of megacharges, they need environmentally friendly megacharges. These megachargers will be able to charge a semi in less than 30 minutes. Tesla has begun to install solar panels and battery packs at charging points. As a result, when Tesla customers recharge at charging stations, the firm will be able to provide them with low-cost, sustainable energy. As Tesla expands their megacharger network, solar energy will continue to play a vital role in their charging system. Tesla has been installing the first megacharger for its upcoming Tesla semi-electric truck at the Gigafactory in Nevada. The stalls are significantly longer than those at other supercharger stations to handle bigger trucks with trailers. Orders are already in strong demand. Expect to see convoys of these vehicles hauling Amazon packages and delivering items to stores down interstates in the near future. That is, if it can maintain the momentum gained throughout the pre-order period and unveil and deliver the product on schedule. Since November 2017, UPS has ordered 125, Pepsi has ordered 100, Cisco, a restaurant vendor, has ordered 50, Walmart has ordered 45, and GB Hunt, a transportation business, has apparently ordered 40. Even if fewer orders are taken into account, this means that Tesla has at least 300 to 400 semi-pre-orders in the pocket. Additionally, the company expected to sell 50 semi to Pepsi by late 2021. Pepsi has announced that it expects to get those 15 Tesla semi units before the end of the year, offering more information about the electric truck's manufacturing and development plans. The Tesla Semi program has been delayed several times, but it now appears that the business is ready to start manufacturing and deliveries. The Semi's pricing range. Tesla plans to release 2 variants of the Tesla Semi, each with a range of more than 300 and 500 miles on a single charge. With a kilowatt-hour per mile efficiency of less than 2, they are expected to cost $150,000 and $180,000 respectively. With a full load, the cost of operations is expected to be where the Tesla Semi excels. The company hopes to save up to $200,000 in fuel and maintenance expenditures over the life of a Tesla Semi. While reservations don't always turn into actual sales, Tesla Semi pre-orders are thought to be a better indicator of consumer interest than other Tesla passenger vehicles, due to the truck's significantly higher deposit requirement. Tesla initially demanded a $5,000 deposit per truck, which was later increased to $20,000 for the standard production model and $200,000 for the limited Founder Series variant. The most eagerly anticipated release day has arrived. Tesla has stated that the Tesla Semi will not be available until the end of 2021, owing to battery cell supply issues. Tesla is also building a Tesla Semi production line near its Nevada Gigafactory, with the objective of producing 5 semis every week. Tesla Semi has received a considerable number of reservations over the previous few months, but neither the total number nor the overall size of the market for the electric truck has been announced. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has claimed that the business intends to make 100,000 electric trucks every year. Tesla Semi would be one of the world's largest truck manufacturers, if it ever produced 100,000 trucks per year, despite the fact that some companies presently produce more. After all that, how do you feel about the Tesla Semi? Do you believe this has the potential to transform the truck market?